Welcome to the topic series. My name is Roy Paulson. Today I'm talking about the Malta Dynamics Apex safety helmet and the accessories that we build for this particular helmet. These climbing safety helmets are unique in the way that the attachments go with them and the shape and style and size. So we had to make unique specific adapters for each of the different types of safety helmets that are on the market. Here we're demonstrating a 12 calorie and a 20 calorie arc flash face shield mounted onto this Apex helmet. You'll notice that we have a front vent for ventilation, and this front vent is specially designed. We actually have a patent on it for allowing the air to come in, but the arc flash energy not to come in through it. And then as the air comes in, it washes up on the interior of the face shield, reducing the chance of fogging. It also gives you fresh air to breathe, which is a great advantage. All of the arc flash face shields have a coating on the exterior, which is a abrasion resistant coating, and on the interior, which is a permanent anti-fog coating. This face shield can be easily attached to the helmet with the slots of the helmet, and we make a custom adapter that snaps in through the slots and holds the whole assembly in place. This is a weight compensating bracket. The weight compensating bracket has the advantage of that as you raise the shield from the deployed position to the stowed position, the shield comes up and back. That way it's not hanging out here in the front of the helmet. If we didn't have that accessory design here, or I should say this unique design, the face shield would be way out here. But instead, the face shield is back, centered for weight compensating so that it is centered on your head, and it's out of your way when you're working, for example, in an underground vault or where you're in close quarters. So, once again, it's a unique assembly just for this particular helmet. This is a 12 calorie and a 20 calorie face shield that I'm demonstrating here. And we have an additional accessory, which is the flashlights. The flashlight assemblies are the flashlight attachment and then the flashlight itself. So it snaps onto the side of the shield. You can have one or two. And the flashlight is fully adjustable in any direction, in and out, up and down. Just point the flashlight where you want it to go and let go, and it'll stay in that particular position. Done needing the flashlight, pops right off, and you can stow it that way. Continuing to talk about the accessory face shields that we've built for the Apex safety helmet, I'm showing here a polycarbonate clear face shield mounted on the weight compensating bracket. This would be a very popular general purpose type face shield. It has a built-in chin protector so that it wraps far underneath, give you good protection from debris or from splash coming up from below the face shield. Locks in the up position. These pivots, you can adjust them so that you can do a welder's knot to lower the face shield, or tighten them slightly more, and then bring the face shield up and down like you've seen here. Now these face shields themselves come in a variety of conditions so that we can have it as the clear polycarbonate face shield, which is the TS L9F. Well, if you can change that to have it to be coated or uncoated like this one is, or you can have it so that you have the flashlight attachments. We're really working to tailor the face shield to be exactly what's needed for your particular application that you're working at. As you can see, this Toric type design has one curve in this direction and another curve coming this way. You can call it conformal because it conforms to the face. When you have the face shield on, it's like you don't have a shield on at all because it's your entire field of view is available to you when you're wearing this face shield. You can use the face shield accessories of the flashlights if you order it with the flashlight mounts on the face shield. We have additional models of face shields. This one is a Toric face shield that is made from a material called Triton. The Triton material is extremely chemical resistant, and it has a lot of advantages for being lightweight, again, complete field of view. This would be a dark green polycarbonate that would be used where you have a very bright area that you're working, usually typically in a steel mill. This is a nylon face shield. Nylon is not normally thought of as being clear, and Paulson Manufacturing, as far as I know, is the only company making face shields for industrial use out of transparent nylon. The advantage of it is that it has a higher heat resistance than polycarbonate, and it's extremely chemical resistant. This particular one has the coating on it, which is a silicone coating to the front, polyurethane anti-fog coating to the interior. And this is a cobalt blue face shield. This is for use where you're looking at very bright molten materials, might be glass, might be steel, and this will block out the rays of the sodium line, which lets you identify slag that's on the surface of steel, and also allows you to see the glass more thoroughly when it's in the molten condition. So all of these are available to use with the flashlight accessories, should it be that you want to have, you're working in places where you need to have a flashlight, as long as it's ordered with the flashlight attachments. This is the weight compensating bracket for the Multidynamics Apex helmet. This bracket is sold separately from all of these accessory face shields that I've shown you, because there's so many possibilities of the face shields, we couldn't possibly make different combinations. So what we do is we sell the bracket specifically to the helmet, and then the face shields to fit to the bracket. And it's best for yourself to think of what's the application. I've got high heat, I've got high impact, I have dust, I have dirt, whatever, chemical resistance, the need for glare protection. You have to understand what the need is, pick the face shield, you've already got your helmet, buy the bracket to go with it. Just to quickly cover some of the features and benefits of this bracket. One is it has a lever lock system for attaching the face shield, so you can do that without tools. Two, these helmet adapters are unique to the particular helmet. So these helmet adapters are what's specifically for the Multidynamics Apex helmet. So they snap in, and they have the press to release feature on the inside here, so it makes them easy to get in and put back into the helmet. Three, we have the pivot assembly that can be tightened or loosened so that you can do the two styles. The style one would be that you can loosen this and do the welder's nod to drop the shield down, or tighten them a little bit more and just pull the face shield up and down into position. These are the stops, so the shield comes down to the stop here, and when it goes in the up position, it has another stop, so that the whole assembly doesn't over travel behind your helmet. So this is model WCB-A for the Apex helmet.